In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this. And if you add a bit more details, you will end up with something like this. First thing I had to do is removing the original logo from the car, and I managed to do that by using both of the clone stamp and the brush tool. The second step is adding a 3D logo, and you need a third-party plugin called Element made by Video Copilot. And for the model you can get yours for free from sketchfab. Third step is animating the logo from the element settings. And for our final steps, we add effects, maybe more movements, maybe a CC, and we are done. That was it, boys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.
Goodbye.